The pathway of destiny is crooked. Mama, mama, Samere na gwe romuna manamere kwa ubasi we wata mana wata ubasi alesi noke amatonye budi obara ebu anu nwanyi na sorere nuno sako konulo
Want to run? If you make any wrong move again, I will slit your throat. You want to run? Do you know how much that was paid on your head? I'm asking you. Bring them out. Take them back to their cage. Want to run? Want to spoil business for my father?
I'm sure you are fully aware the inheritance of your son now that your husband is no more.
No, I have no son. I am blessed with 2 daughters.
Well, Ike might not be your biological son, but he's under your care. That makes him your son.
My stepson. I refuse any claims to that child.
If you say so. But I'm sure you are aware that the 7 lands your husband have in this village and the house all of you are living currently all belongs to Ike.
May the gods forbid. Why? What then becomes of me and my daughters?
Well, that becomes Ike's decision to make. But I am sure that he will never allow you and his sisters to suffer because he's a young man with a good heart.
No, this is unfair. This is so unfair. I suffered with my husband before he died. I deserve better.
Well, we are talking about our tradition, which you are fully aware of. And I will advise that you sit the young man down and let him know all his inheritance to avoid future problems.
No problem, Nai. Let me head home.
Parable only sounds sweet when it favors one. It's our tradition. There's nothing we can do about it.
How strong are you? You're not even strong.
No. I asked a question. What is going on? Who is your name? I'm asking you! What are you doing here? And who is your name? Eh? Are you not supposed to be in the farm?
Nee.
Are you not supposed to be in the farm working?
Nee, it has not been too long. I came back.
And so, if the farm work is done, what about firewood? Do we have enough? How many times have I asked you not to call me mother? I am not your mother. I can never give birth to an imbecile like you. The next time you do that, I will strangle you with my bare head. Come and sit down. I'm talking to you. Are you insane? Enough, Paula. Next time you call me mother, you will not wake up. I'll make sure I kill you in your dreams. Now get up. Get your cutlass. Go and fetch firewood. Officer! Ike! Come back here. I saw a tan, and you are not back. A tan. Get out. Two morons. You don't have brains. Two morons. How many times will I tell you to stay away from this Atola Abaja? Eh? I'm asking you. I don't know what is wrong with two of you. Do I split your skull and shove wisdom into it before you start thinking like me? Amajun. Do I? You don't know his aim. His aim is to take all the inheritance from us. You wake up one day and this Ajago and you start relocating to Ajago to find a home.
Huh? Inheritance?
No, pants.
Nee, but I thought he is our blood.
I know it is you. Why do you keep on following me everywhere I go? Please, I don't want troubles anymore.
I am here to help.
I don't want your help. Please stay away from me. I don't want troubles anymore.
Nee. Is everything alright?
We noticed you couldn't sleep all night.
Is everything okay?
I am fine.
Nee, you're not fine. Tell us what is eating you up. Because the way you flared up yesterday is enough proof to show that everything is not fine.
You two should start thinking like me. Else you are going to suffer for a very long time.
How do you mean?
Ike is not your brother. So stop treating him like he is.
Me. But his father was also our father.
But he is not my son. In fact, let me tell you both what you need to understand. The death of your father has automatically given him right over all your father's property, leaving us with nothing. Absolutely nothing. You can imagine what that means. He might wake up one morning and decide to drive all of us out of this house without blinking an eye, where do we go?
Nne, why is that so?
Custom and tradition. That is it. If I had a son, your father's property would have been splitted into two. But the reverse is the case. That is why we need to fight.
Okay, so Nne, what are we going to do?
You are now sounding like what I gave birth to. What are we going to do? Where is this boy? Has he not returned? Ike! You are answering, Mama. Don't let me get you there. Come. Ogineneme, what is going on?
Nne, I was coming back from the stream. The pot fell and broke.
Hey! Ike! You broke my pot!
Please, sorry, Nne.
My pot! My pot!
Nne, I'm sorry.
Hey! Hey! Hey!
I'm sorry.
Ike Bude!
Please, Nne.
You broke my pot!
I'm sorry.
Why?
It was my last water to fetch.
Your last water to fetch.
Please.
Your last water. Take your last breath. Ike, take your last breath. You broke my pot. You broke my pot. You broke my pot. Now, get up. Oh yeah, pick the pot. Pieces sit on your head.
Please.
Pieces remain on your head. Do you want me to do that? Oh yeah. Hit it hard, oh. Pieces sit on your head. Keep pieces in it. Do you want me to do it?
No, no.
Do you want me to do it?
No.
Oh yeah.
Please. My head will get injured.
I want you to injure. You injured my pot.
I'm not breaking it.
Please,
my head will break it.
Pieces sit on your head.
Please. No.
Oh yeah.
Please.
Pieces sit on your head.
Please.
Oh yeah. Wow.
My head will break. My head will break.
Pieces sit on your head.
Please.
Ike, allow me help you.
What is all this? Why are you following me everywhere I go? Please, leave me alone. What am I owing you?
You owe me nothing, Ike. I am Adure. Your mother assigned me to protect and guide you through your path of greatness.
My mother is dead. Long dead. I don't know what you are talking about.
Yes, she is. It was her dying wish, and I must uphold it to infinity.
Are you telling me the truth?
Yes, Ike. I'm only here to help and not to harm you. Now, tell me what is eating you up. I can feel your pains from where I'm standing.
It is my stepmother. I don't know what I've done to her to deserve this kind of maltreatment. She's making life miserable for me.
I'm listening.
Wait. Where does this route lead? I have no idea. I have not taken this route before. Ever since I've been trading on this road. Are you sure about that? Yes, I'm very sure. We'll have to check where it leads to.
I suggest we stick to the route that we are used to.
Yes. Something draws my attention to this place. And I have to check it out. Oh. I have to be careful. Aguba! 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 Aguba!
Aguba!
What is it? Chief. Easy! Easy! Chief. What is it?
Your son.
What happened to... What happened to him? Huh? Is he alive? Is he dead? Answer me! What do you mean you don't know? Is there anything you know? The only thing you know is eat, sleep, run. What happened to him? What happened to him? What? Look at him. What happened?
Chief.
Eh?
Chief, he crossed a mysterious route. But we warned him. He did not listen.
Yes.
And then he collapsed.
And it's just like this.
Yes, yes, Chief.
Hey, go back. Hey! Hey! Now who goes for Akaji? Chief. Go for Akaji, the spiritual healer. Now! Now! Hey! Bring him here. Bring him. Come. Bring him inside first. Who is bringing him? Who is going for Akaji? Hey! Come and help him! Come back! Okay.
I beg you one name. I need your help. And I know that you are the only means to solve this my problem.
I hope there is no problem. What can that be?
I know that you have direct contact with those people involved in selling people. Slaves. Please, can you introduce one of them to me? I want to get acquainted with one. If possible, their head.
Do you want to join me in the business?
Join you in the business. I just want to sell off something.
Sell off someone?
Yes.
Who could that be?
Who else if not Ike? I want to get rid of him for good.
Okay. Actually, the son was supposed to be here today. Yeah, but I have not seen him.
Hey.
But as soon as he comes around, I'll bring him to you. Finish.
Pico. Achọrọ m nkịta nke echi. Pico.
You don't have a problem, Obiano Uju. Uju Juleji.
Obagele jukwa me eju mana kita agbapelon.
Because now you have
You will not understand. Every day I woke up and see that boy boy, I feel like strangling him.
Don't have to strangle him. You can make business out of him. Say him and make money.
Thanks the gods, there is food. I am so hungry. Let me go and drop this thing off.
Which food? What is all you want to do?
Let's do this one.
Go and drop it off and do what? Wait. Let me monitor him. Hey!
Stop! Where are you going to?
What is the problem? I don't understand.
The problem here is you cannot eat with us. Yes, this food will not be enough for both of us. Talk more of you. So if you're hungry, go to the kitchen and prepare something for yourself.
I'm so stressed out. I've been the one working in the farm all day.
And so?
I need to eat something.
Are you mad? Are you mad? Did you not hear what she said? There is no food. If you want to eat, go to the kitchen and make something for yourself. Don't come and stress me. I should joke because I'm talking to somebody.
Akaji, your face is ominous. It bespeaks doom, distress.
The cause of his sickness is blood to my eyes. I cannot identify it without knowing the cause. There is nothing I can do to help him. I am sorry. This is beyond me.
Brunene. Yeah. Popo di po balube popo de po. Popo di po balube popo de po. So there is something that could be greater than the great Akaji.
Until now, I would have answered nothing. I suggest get another external help. I am sorry. The gods are wise.
Popo di po. Bana popo di po. Go and fetch Igri. Let me hear him speak.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Go! Agajelu n'ogwu. Ogwu soro akpakana. Akpakana soro ntakana. Ntakana abụrụ asụlụ ekwe.
Hola. What is it?
It's Aguba.
Aguba, what happened?
He's in a very critical condition as we speak.
What happened to him?
I don't know, but I heard he was struck by an evil force.
Chimo!
compound before I stepped out. Else I would have skinned you alive. Now get the water pot, go to the stream and fill all the water pots in this house immediately.
Yes, Nne.
You can go back and rest.
You did all this.
Yes. You needed help. And help you have gotten.
You don't have to. I could have handled it.
What is taking you so long to go to the stream? What is taking you so long?
The pots are all filled.
What do you mean the pots are filled? Huh? You mean you filled all these pots by yourself this early? I'm asking you.
I got help from a friend.
Friend what? Which friend?
Aduri.
Are you joking with me? What nonsense are you talking about?
She can't see me, so don't make matter worse for you.
Nne, I was very fast. That was how I was able to fill the pot up.
You were fast. That was how you were able to fill the pots this early. Only you. So what are you waiting for? Prepare to go to the farm. Don't you know your duties? Why are you staring?
There is no work at the farm, so don't worry. I got you covered.
My friend, prepare to go to the farm. Nonsense. If you like, go there and sleep. Or don't come back early.
Ola, how is Aguba's health?
I don't know.
What do you mean by you don't know? Have you not gone to see him?
I don't want to. I saw Aguba's condition and may the ghost forbid I be with someone like that. I have ended everything with him.
Ola, what do you mean by you've ended everything with him? Now that he needs you the most.
Why won't I? Have you seen his condition? He can't even speak. Not to talk of move.
Eh? So Ola, you never loved this man?
I did. But not with him being like that. That's way too much for me to handle. I know his father is rich, but no amount of wealth can make me go close to such a person.
Hey! Ola!
What?
Hey! Wonder shall never end.
Look, I want to go and fetch water for my mother. Will you go with me?
I should go with you. With this your abomination mouth.
Come!
Leave me! I don't want to have anything to do with somebody like you.
Go.
Chief, our buyers are complaining bitterly about our constant disappointments. I told them about Agoba's condition, but it seems like a no business of theirs. What do we do, Chief?
Ikenga.
Yes, Chief.
Ikenga.
Yes, Chief.
Prepare the men. I will lead the trade today.
Okay, Chief.
That is strange. So how is he doing now?
Mom, still the same.
Don't worry. He will be fine.
Odegeli, do you have market for me?
Of course. I even have a woman who wants to sell off her son.
Ajuwa kom obanyego. Piabo yenchoro. Ezioku.
Yes.
What are we waiting for? Piano kai gabano nyaka. Gemonte. What I do is I buy slaves, I sell slaves. There can they go lose slaves.
The community have ears.
What?
This
Let's go. Hey! Why haven't I discovered here? Huh? Hey! Ajoa kum. Hey, Umoma. Hey. Beautiful. Yes. Ay. Beautiful. Oh. This is a good thing I have met here. Oh, yes. Ajoa kom.
They are my daughters. Off you go, girls.
Hey! Ugona chomma. Ajoa kom.
I have color.
Yes.
They are not for sale. My stepson is.
Ajoa kom. You sure you don't want to change your mind about them?
Not now. Not ever.
Ajoa kom. So, how much are we talking about? Yeah.
I do not need your money. I just want you to take the boy far away from us. You heard me.
No money? No money?
No money.
Wait a minute. You don't want even Obelego. Eh?
Obianuju, even if it is money for goat's meat,
even a token, small change.
Otakago, see this as a way of me supporting your business. I just want the boy to be gone and gone forever. We don't need him.
Gone! Free! Oh, what a benevolent woman are you. Free. Free! Good. So what are we waiting for? Let's go. Take me to the place.
This way.
Let's go!
That is it.
Who's like that?
Please, make sure he does not return. I do not need him for life.
He don't need small kile.
I don't need. I am just supporting your business.
Oh, Tatago, you can give me the money.
Shut up.
Ajua, come.
Shut up. Get up.
Somebody else!
Stand up.
Somebody else! This way, you please! Somebody else! Somebody else! Somebody else! Somebody else! Somebody else!
This way!
Help me! Somebody else!
Come.
The pathway of destiny is crooked. Mama,
Ike!
Adue, where were you when I needed you? You watched them bind and force me into this place, and you refused to help me. You made a promise. You will keep me safe. Is this what keeping me safe means?
I made a promise to guide you through your path of breakthrough. And this is it.
What? So being a chain is a part of breakthrough? Is this a good life for me? Get out from here!
Nne,
Maya dear.
I have not seen Ikenna all day. Did you send him on an errand?
I didn't. I did not. But I have great news for us.
What news?
Ike. Ike is gone and gone forever.
Gone to where? Nne. Is he dead? What did you do to him?
I didn't say so. I said he is gone. You remember the man that came here earlier today? He's a slave trader. So, I sold Ike off to him so that he will take him far away from us. We don't need to bother about inheritance or somebody throwing us out of the house.
Hey! You sold Ikenna! Nne, why did you not think? But what if he escapes?
Escape from where? What you put on?
He'll tell everybody what you did.
Shut your mouth up. Come on, shut up. Escape from where? He cannot escape from the grips of Otakago. Because he is gone. And now, everything that your father had belongs to us. We do not need to bother about any other thing. Whether he's a boy or a man in the house, so we have the whole thing to ourselves. That is why I am drinking and dancing. Maya Toka. That's what. Hey! Obianu Joje ya na chi ya di na mma o. Aga m eji ọkpaba kwulo ndụ mmụọ. Iyo lolo tawam.
In time, you will know what I mean.
Please leave me alone!
Open your mouth and sing!
Tell me what you were saying to her. Hey, shut up! Shut up, all of you! I said shut kill you! Now tell me, what were you saying? What were you talking about? He doesn't know again. Adua kum. You, let me tell you, you don't know how you got here. I paid money for all the others. I paid zero money on you. No wonder. See your bloodshot eyes. You must be troublesome. Yes, a rabble rouser. Yes, a dissenter. Onya Wusabo. Sabotua. No wonder your mother didn't value you. Yes, she gave you over to me. Free! No kobo, no Do you want to make money?
Yes, of course.
Ajoa, come. You want to make money? Ajoa, come. Any of them that tries to escape, run your sword through the person. Hey! Why look at me? Why look at me? You!
All in order. Now you go in there.
Why do you hate me this much? Why are you treating me as nobody in this life? Stop reminding me of that. There is only you and my stepsister. It's what I heard.
I had the man lead men to buy slave from other villages.
Oh yes. I want to start carrying out my father's work on time, so I can get familiar with slave trade as soon as possible.
But that's a very risky job. I mean, for you could do something else rather than crossing the village boundaries with slaves.
My love, you have nothing to fear. I am Agoba, the son of the great Otakago, the descendant of Uzube lineage. No harm can come to me. I am protected both physical and spiritual.
This is my problem with you. You're too overconfident. Like you hold life in your palms.
Of course! The powers of life and death lies on my palms. Don't worry, I'll be safe. My love. Come, let's go.
What was that?
That sounds like a wild beast.
Please, let's get going before it comes out.
No.
What?
I have to get it and kill it. It would make a very fine spot.
I don't understand. Let's get going.
No, just wait here. I'll be right back, okay?
Haguba! Haguba!
I was told you were hanging around with Madu today. Tell me it's not true.
Yes, it is true. I have to be with someone whose sanity is intact. I have suffered enough.
What? Ola! What are you even saying? Is it because of Aguba's condition?
Yes, yes. It plays itself right there, without considering how I feel. Aguba feels he is invincible, without considering my feelings.
Ola!
His condition suits him, and I am done. And no one should try talking me out. Not even you.
Ola!
I have made my decision.
is your sister?
My sister. She's not around in me.
Since morning?
She went out. In fact, I don't know where she went to.
Since morning?
She's a grown-up woman now. She can take care of herself.
Says who? In this house? You better go and look for her. Tell her to come back home.
I will not do that.
You see?
She's grown up now. Let her be. And I'm tired. I'm hungry. Did you prepare any food? Let me eat, please.
I'm asking you to go and get your sister. You are telling me you are hungry.
Go and look for her yourself.
Come up!
Go and look for her yourself.
Don't enter that hut, oh! Go and look for your sister! Ha! Where are you returning from? I'm asking you.
I went to see a friend.
A friend of what? Otangele? For how long? You went to see a friend and you stayed this long. Why?
I do not understand. Can I not go out anymore? Am I a child? Can I not have friends?
I did not say you should not. But why would you stay this long? That is my question.
Please, I am tired. I do not have to explain my entire life to you. I need to rest.
My friend, come back here. You need to rest. For what? Listen. You will live according to my rules in this house.
Oh, what? You sell me off as well?
The next time you will mention anything close to that, I'll forget you are my daughter. Now get inside.
Ike, don't think about it too much. It's life. Life doesn't care about us. Sometimes it blesses some. Sometimes it curses others.
You speak with so much pain.
Let me guess. Your father sold you to the chief, right?
I was not sold. I was given for free by my stepmother.
Your stepmother. I thought I had the worst case.
What happened? Your father sold you.
Flash off. 32 C.
What about your woman Adana? How will she cope?
I thought I had the last laugh. I don't know. I didn't really get the last laugh as I presumed. Just maybe she's with someone else, having a good time, and I'll just be here, wasting my life as a slave.
Don't worry, everything is going to be fine.
I hope so. I really hope so. Well, let's get back to work. Hey, Omali-chan. Oh, you are the best dancer I've ever seen in this kingdom and other kingdoms.
You're only exaggerating.
I speak the truth, my love. You are blessed with the God's beauty and even their dance steps.
Just as you're blessed with a spiritual melody that hits right to the soul. Obim, I know there are so many forces trying to pull us away from each other. But I don't know how we are going to fight this and overcome it all.
Don't worry, my love. Don't worry. See, my love, I have plans for us to move from this kingdom to other kingdoms where no one would ever find us.
I don't know. My parents are my challenge. My absence will really hurt them so bad.
No, my love. Don't worry. We'll figure a way out of this. Trust me.
Okay.
I love you so much.
Who are you? What are you? Chief! Who are you? And why do you block my way?
You must not sell him off.
Who? Him? Ajoa Kum. Who are you to tell me how to direct and run my business?
I am an immortal. I have come to offer you a solution to your source problem.
My son, can you heal my son?
With the aid of the boy there, your son stands a chance to survive. So you must not sell him.
Ajua kom. What is your name?
Ike.
Ike. How could you heal a boy very strong and potent medicine men have tried to heal to no avail? How?
I am not a healer. I have no power to heal anyone.
Do not get me angry. Last night you were shown to me in my dream that you could heal my son, that you could drive away the evil spirits attacking my son. Who really are you?
I am nobody. I can't do what you think I can.
Wajua kum. Why were you shown to me then? Why?
You are misunderstanding. You brought the wrong person here.
Wait a minute. You mean you cannot save my son? You cannot save my son? You can't! Talk!
No.
Get this imbecile from here!
Please,
Take him out of here! And no food for him! Take him out!
Uju!
Nanyo, is everything all right?
Uju, where is Ike? For some days now, I've not seen that boy.
How am I supposed to know his whereabouts? He left this house days ago. And he has not returned. I have searched everywhere in this village.
You have searched everywhere in this village?
I have!
And you don't even care to report to us, the elders of this family, that is Ikem is nowhere. Now let me tell you. Do you know that the rumor is everywhere that slave traders have taken Ikem?
Hey! Chima! Nani! Is that so? Is that so?
Uju?
Hey! Efukwemo!
Uju!
Nanyo!
Is there anything you want to tell me?
Something like what, Gwana? Something like what? Why are you sounding like this? Eh? Something like what?
Uju. Uju! How many times have I called you?
You have called me more than 3 times and I don't know why.
What's about the wrong?
Hey!
You can look into this matter.
Ike left this house days ago and he has not returned. I'm not on this slave trade. Hey! 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 Hey!
Okay, Mbawa. What is it?
Chief, your son has gone beyond the reach of the gods.
Why do you say that? What has grown so powerful that my son is gripped in their power?
I have no idea, but I seek your permission to go to another village to consult their oracle. And once I get a positive answer, I shall return.
The pathway of destiny is crooked. Mama,
Ike.
What?
There's a way out of this if only you can trust me.
I thought you said this is my destiny.
I never said so. You should be more focused on the good things ahead of you than to transfer aggressions to me.
Wait, I'm sorry. Please come back. Ature, come back. Come back.
Who were you talking to?
No one.
But I heard voices.
I was not talking to anyone.
Listen, you better get up from this place and let's go back to work before Agidi and others come and meet you here. You won't like what they will do to you. The reason why I came here is because I heard your voice. Let's go to work. Oya, come. Give me your hand.
Onye nọ n'enu tụọdọ na mbụ mewe na mba arụ ike ka na-ekene gị dị ụmụ ogbenye onye na-epụrụ anyị ibe anyị kọlụ n'ubi ekene 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 ụtụtụ ọma ka na-ebutelu gị n'ụkpa onye jụrụ igwe jụọ ana na-ekene gị ekene 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 arụ ike ka na-enye ekene ekene
I greet you in the morning, in the afternoon, and at night. Ekene gị na-eke.
N'oyi n'afọ na nkwọ
Chukwu abịa ma ekene gị. Chi ụmụ nwanyị. Chinyelu m dị nye m ụmụ, nye anyị arụ ike, mee ha ịkọ n'ubi ka ọ na-epu. I worship you. I reverence you. Nalekine. There's no water in the pot.
Otanjele! Ife di orama! Oh, you people are still sleeping. My friend, come here! What is the meaning of this? What? Please. How can you be in this house doing nothing? Who do you expect to fetch water and sweep the compound?
Me, I've already told you I'm not feeling well. So I cannot go to the stream.
But you can eat. I'm asking you. You can eat, Okuya? For how long have you been claiming this sickness?
Yeah, that stream is very far. I cannot go there, oh. Honestly, to tell you the truth, you need to get a maid.
Yes.
That will do all of this things for us.
A maid? You see? A maid? When I have 2 grown-up girls, 2 grown-up women in the house, both of you are out of your senses. I know I groomed you so that you will get married to a rich family. But with this attitude of yours, I doubt if any reasonable man in this community will ask for your hand in marriage. Now you pick the water pot and go and fetch water. You pick the broom and start sweeping.
Lady Amadu strike me. Because I cannot go to that stream. I cannot go to that stream. Please, I'm tired.
Let me tell you. You need to be doing these things for us. Isn't that why you are a mother?
Yes. It's not getting me. It's
please, let me the stream.
Go fetch water. And you start sweeping. Start sweeping. Go to the backyard.
I'm going.
What is wrong with you? Come on, thank Bala.
Ifedirama, you need to make a choice. Are you going to the stream or are you staying here with Nne?
Tanjeri, I'm not going anywhere. I will stay here. That stream is too far. You go to the stream.
You won't stay with Nne. And Madia, I will strike you today.
And make sure you're walking. And you. Go there. Down there. Make sure you're walking. You, come. Come here. Go there. There. Be fast. You. And make sure you're walking. Come. You're looking at me. Where is your farm to? Nonsense. Go here. Make sure you're walking. And listen, you all. By the time I come back and you're not walking, you have yourself to be blamed. Ogonta.
Why do you hate me this much? Why are you treating me as nobody in this life? Stop reminding me of that. There is only you and my stepsister. It's what I
Are you ready to be set free from your captivity?
What will I do? Tell me.
Return to the chief. Tell him you have the solution to the son's problem.
It was you. You made him believe I am a healer.
You are not a healer, but you can take his son to the place where he can be healed. With that, you will gain your freedom.
I don't want to go back to my village. They sold me. I have nothing left there.
One step at a time, young man.
What are you still doing? So you have not cleared all this? Huh? And you? You think I didn't see you standing without doing anything? You are doing what? You are doing what? Come on, continue. Keep walking. What are you doing? Huh? Come on. You! Walk! Walk! Before I cut you! Walk! Walk! You looking at me?
Greetings, Chief. The slave boy demands to speak with you.
He has nothing good for my ears.
I do. I can restore your son's health.
Are you out of your mind? What do you take me for? You have no power of what you claim. You said yourself that you're not a healer.
I am not a healer, but I can take your son to a place where he's going to be healed.
Are you talking to me this way? I brought you here earlier, and you denied having anything to do with healing. Now listen to me. If you do not want your tongue to be dragged out of your mouth and chopped out by my men, then you turn round and escape. Go back before it's too late.
I am sorry, but I'm saying the truth.
Agidi? Agidi?
Yes, Chief.
Take the simpleton. Drag him out to the back. Give him 21 lashes of the cane before throwing him back into his cage. Now.
Yes, Chief.
Please, I'm sorry.
Now move.
I've done nothing wrong. Please, Chief.
Just take it easy. Don't rush it. There's water there. And clean your mouth. So how do we intend to go about healing my son?
Tell him the boy will be taken to the forest of Ugumi and drink from its spring.
Where are you looking at? Not minding that I asked you a question.
I will take your son to the forest of Gumi, where he drink from the spring and be healed.
Are you insane? Do you know what you're talking about? Where are you going to take my son to? That forest? That forest is the evil forest, and it's inhabited by spirits that drink human blood.
That is where his solution is. I will guide you through the path, safe and sound.
I'm waiting for an answer.
That is where the solution is. I will guide and protect your son throughout our journey.
If you do exactly as you have promised, and you heal my son, I will reward you, and reward you bountifully. But if you fail, I will take your head.
I don't want freedom. I want to be your personal servant. I don't want to be sold.
Deal.
What if the boy wants to escape using the trick? I don't trust him.
That's why I want you to go to the evil forest with him. You wait at the boundary. 3 days maximum. The boy cannot escape the evils in the forest. He has to be right about his abilities.
With all due respect, Chief, how could you trust the life of your son into the hands of a slave?
What other choice do I have? But if any of you has any better alternative that will bring back life and health to my son, say it here. Or do what I have instructed.
No problem, Chief.
No problem, Chief.
Calm down, Ike. You will be protected.
I am about to venture into a dreaded forest, and you expect me to be calm. How can I be calm?
You are not alone. Trust me. You will be in and out of the forest in no time.
Protect my son with your life. If anything happens to him, you will have no hiding place here.
He is in good hands. Let us go.
this point.
Why are you stopping?
Drop him here. I will take it from here.
You remember what the chief said? Any wrong move from you, you are dead meat.
Thanks for the reminder.
They cannot stay here.
You need to go back home.
Impossible. We go nowhere. We stay here and wait till you return.
The evil of this forest will kill them at nightfall.
The evil of this forest to come at night. You can't stand a chance.
Are you serious?
Of course. It is called Dreaded Okume Forest for a reason.
Agudi, keep what? You want to listen to what he's saying?
Keep what?
I'll be with you.
Are you serious?
Huh? Hold. Huh? Wait for me, you can't get. Huh? You can't get.
Doing here. The instruction was very clear. Remain with him.
Chief, we wanted to stay, but we want to leave the boundary immediately because it's as dangerous as the forest itself.
Fools. Fools! Just pray that my son returns in one piece. Just pray. Just pray. Get out of my sight now.
There's something obstructing our way.
What is it?
Pick this egg. Revolve it around your head 3 times and that of the boy and drop it there.
Wait, calm down. We have not figured out a way yet. Please, Adure, do something. I can't wait much longer. Adure, please.
He's being called. Something is pulling his soul. That means that direction is a dead soul.
But you don't want to go that way. What can I do?
Aguba! 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 We don't have much time. Let's go.
I need to rest. We can't continue.
Spring is no longer far from here. We should keep on going.
I have not eaten anything all through this journey. We need rest. Aguba needs rest as well.
The children of the forest.
They are heading this way.
There's nothing you can do. to dance to the melody.
How?
You have to dance to the melody. If they enjoy your dancing, they will leave.
What happens if they don't?
Then this will be our last night together.
Am I not talking to two of you? What has become of you? You two are completely useless in this house.
Useless?
Yes.
Ne, since we are useless, let us leave the house. Let us quietly leave the house for you and never come back.
Oh, Tangele, you want to leave? To where? So that you will bring disgrace and shame to my name. You think I don't know what you are doing? You think I don't know what you have been doing in this village? Oh, kunaga wala wala. Anya nefe zanzam nafia.
It is my life. Yes, and you do not have any right to choose my life for me.
I am your mother. Your life is my business. And you must take to my rules.
Nee, it's okay. You talk too much. You love to complain.
All you know how to do in this house is to eat and to sleep. Anyway, I have decided there will be no food for both of you until you grow senses into your head.
That's not if you want us to die, oh.
Yes, die. If you want to die, die. I don't care.
You will give us food.
Nee, this house will not contain us.
Eat.
This house will not contain us. You give us food, though. There is no way I will not eat in my mother's house. It is not possible.
Shut up. This is all your fault. Why will you be talking to our mother like that?
And so? Are you okay? Is she not annoying enough? Please, I must talk. Leave me alone.
If you do not give me food, you will give me food, though. You will give me food in this house.
This is it. You must get him to drink from the spring immediately.
And who authorized you to come here? This is no place for the unclean. His fate has been sealed, and there is nothing you can do. Leave here before we strike you with our rod.
Agiti, what are you doing here? Please, we just need little water. To him.
He is not who you think he is. Stand up. I don't have strength to hold them. Take. Feel it. And give it to him to drink.
Where am I? Who are you?
I am Ike, a slave from your father. I brought you into the forest of Ogunme to heal you from your affliction. And as you can see, you are healed.
What happened to me? I can't remember anything.
We don't have much time. We have to go before the evil spirits will appear right here.
Speak.
Are we still following the same way we came?
No, we are taking different routes.
Who are you talking to?
You will not understand. We need to leave here.
Is anybody here?
No, please, we need to leave.
Chief! Chief, what is it? Chief, what is it? The son is back. Wait. Wait. Father! I am back! And I am healthy! I'm well now, Father. Your son is back! My son! My son! Ah! Yes. I am well now, Father. That is my son. That is my son. Adua, come, come. I am back. My son is back. You kept to your words.
Yes.
Now I will keep to mine. Henceforth, you cease to be a slave, both here and elsewhere. You're no longer a slave in my compound. You're no longer a slave anywhere. Henceforth, you become the head of slaves in this compound. You'll be in charge of all the slaves coming in and all the slaves going out. You wanted to serve me. The chance is there now. Serve me.
Thank you, Chief.
My father!
Son.
So, Father, tell me, what has been going on in my kingdom?
Agoba.
Father.
You will catch on. Ikenga.
Yes, Chief.
A ram will be slaughtered in honor and to celebrate the return of my son. Yes. He needs to eat and fatten up.
Yes.
Huh?
Yes, Chief.
Celebrate his coming! My son is back!
Yes!
He is back!
I am back! Aguma is back!
Thank you. Thank you.
Welcome, Chief.
Thank you, Ike.
You're welcome, Chief.
Thank you.
I've not really had the time to thank you for helping me. Thank you so much.
You are welcome.
So tell me, what exactly are you? A warrior or a dibia?
None of the listed. I am just a regular boy who wants to survive.
I see. I noticed you were speaking to the air. Who were you talking to?
My Chi, she saved you. She is bound to protect and guide me all through my paths of destiny.
I am glad she chose to help me. Extend my appreciations to her.
Okay, no problem. I will.
That's good. Thank you once again.
Son, who is getting you angry?
Tell me, Father, while I was down with sickness, how many times did Ola come visit me?
Ola. Once.
Once. While I was bedridden for weeks.
Did you see her?
She replaced me with someone she swore never to have anything to do with. Ha! Huh!
Women. How unpredictable they could get.
Soraya, Soraya, Soradure Gaba, Adure Bopamwa, Jemba, Onyama,
Chief.
What is it, Ikenga?
Chief, our buyers are on demand, and we do not have much slaves to sell to them. What do we do, Chief?
What about our partners? The people that supply us? Have you put on any demands on them?
We already did that, Chief. They don't have much slaves, so they refuse to sell to us.
Kenga.
Yes, Chief.
They refuse to sell. Then we move and take them by force. Gather our men. Move into the villages. Move into the neighboring towns. Get young men, young boys, young adults. Seize them. Bring them here.
Yes, Chief. Chief, one more thing. Your son Agoba has declared interest in resuming trade with us.
Ajoa, come. Move! Ugbu ka agha bidoro. Agha ntara. Aramara.
What will you do? Your Rama, do not shout at me. What will you do? Eh? Do your what? Oh, you think I am like I am like me? See, eh? We are going to fight it here. We will fight.
I will fight. You know, see, I don't need to hide my mouth. Anything that happens, like this, I will say it as it is. I don't even care about your things. I see you. If you do me something bad, this is my problem with you. Say it. Eh? I will say it. You don't have respect. And I will disgrace you. You will not do anything. Do your worst now. What will you do? What will you do? Stop fighting on the road. Don't disgrace me. I will not disgrace myself. See, I am a girl that's everything.
Forget your my sister.
I will not.
Do not make it harder than it is already. Start coming. Move! I said come here! Move.
Hey, hold it! Come, get back here.
How did you guys get here?
We were kidnapped by this man and they brought us here.
You look different. Are you a slave here too?
Not anymore. I will talk to the chief on your behalf.
Thank you.
He needs to let you girls go.
Yes, we need to
belong here. Please.
Huh? Please help us. You need to help us.
Join them.
Join them. Are we not safe?
Why are you withholding the slaves?
Nothing.
Allow him. Allow him! Hey, stop it! Open your mouth! These two will make good fortune.
Very well. Very well.
Now move! Move it! Move! Stop lying!
Please, Chief. They are my sisters. They shouldn't be here.
Okay. Do I need to remind you that it was the mother of those girls who sold you to me for free? Free. she refused to take any money on you. Don't you think that with what is happening, that is, the girls being caught by my men, means that your chi is very strong and that the woman is getting paid back in her own coins?
I understand fully well, Chief. But my conscience can't be free seeing my sisters in chain. I know my stepmother maltreated me badly, but not them. They are innocent. Please, Chief, pardon them.
No. No. I won't do it. Those girls are now commodities and will be treated as such. They are merchandise. I will need to sell them to make my money. Yes.
Please, Chief.
Return to your chamber. There is no amount of pleading that will move my heart. I've made up my mind.
Gịnị ka mere? Gịnị ka mere? Ọkwa nne mụrụ m, ọkwa nna mụrụ m. Why do you hate me this much?
Thank the gods I met you here. I was running to your house.
What is chasing you? Let's go to my
No. The village is in chaos. A lot of people were kidnapped.
What is my business if a lot of people were kidnapped?
A friend came to my house and told me this. And
what?
Two of you.
And what, Obegali? Say something now.
Two of your children, two of your daughters were among the people that was taken.
You see,
that is what I heard.
Hey! Obegali?
Yeah?
You sold my daughter.
I did not know.
How do you mean you did not?
Are you not their dealer?
Yes.
You supplied them. So, why? What did I do?
How can I do that now? I did not.
Chibo! Otanjale! Is that your Rama?
Take me to Otakago's house.
Take me to his village.
I don't know his village.
What do you mean you don't know his village? Somebody you have been doing business with for so many years.
I've even told him let him take him to his village, but he says it's very far. I don't know his village.
Obegali, what are you talking about, Obegali? You cannot sell my children.
I did not say that. I'm saying this. I did not.
Saw them.
I saw them and I'm my friend.
Hey, I told them my daughters are not for sale. So why? Eh? I gave him the boy free of charge. You know now. No. Obegali, please don't do this to me.
I did not say them.
Obegago's village. I don't mind. Let us trek for days. I cannot lose my children.
I don't know his
you
village.
know I'm a widow now.
I don't know his village. I don't know his village. I don't know his village. I'm a nobody. You say it's very far. After him, take me. You say it's very far. I don't know his village.
Obegali, you cannot do this to me.
I did not do it.
Obegali! You cannot do this to me, Obegali!
Show me my daughter. You cannot sell my daughter and survive it. Obegali, you cannot sell my daughter and survive it, Obegali. Obegali!
okay?
He refused. But I'll keep on trying my best to persuade him.
Oh, okay. You are our only hope to leave this place, huh? Please do not let us down, I beg you. Please.
I will not. How are you doing? And how is Mama?
She's fine.
I know she'll be fine. She sold me out to the chief for free. But things turn around for my good.
If you knew about that, why then are you helping us?
You are my sisters. My father's daughters. I will do everything possible to make sure both of you are not sold.
Thank you. Please help us, please.
The pathway of destiny is crooked. Mama, mama,
Ike, you look worried. What is eating you up?
I am troubled. I can't hide it.
Talk to me.
My sisters were forcefully adopted by your men. I went to meet the chief. I pleaded, but he refused.
Your sisters are here? Why would he refuse your request after everything you've done? That is not fair. Do not worry yourself. I will see what I can do.
I really appreciate. Thank you so much.
No, we should be the one thanking you. Come and take me to your sisters so I can identify them.
Alright, this way.
the pathway of destiny. Many will believe you, but many are destined to frustrate you. But be focused. Atunebu amana jigi jigi.
Ife, Atangele. Agumba, meet Ife and Otangele, my sister. This is Agumba, the chief's son.
What is your name?
Ife Diorama.
Ife Diorama, I will speak to my father to let you maidens go. I am forever indebted to your brother. We will do our best to get you out from here.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
What are you all still looking at me? Get back to your seat!
Did you see them?
No,
Did you find them?
No. We tried following their tracks, but we got to a dead end.
What do you mean?
We couldn't find them.
Hey!
We tried our best.
Hey!
We tried our best.
Hey! My children are gone. Oh, my children are gone. Please, can you cross the border? Go to neighboring villages and search.
We searched everywhere.
With all the money I paid you, if you want more money, I will give. Biko, no. I cannot lose my children. Biko, no. Biko.
We went as far as the borders. We searched everywhere. We couldn't find them.
Hey,
I know you'll be wondering why I brought you here.
Yes, I am.
Don't be scared. I mean no harm. From the moment I set my eyes on you, I've never been the same. My heart burns with a cool flame, and I cannot help it but to let you know how I feel inside. I know it sounds weird due to the timing.
Please. All I want is to be free with my sister. We want to go back and meet our mother. Please, set us free.
I understand. I assure you, you'll be free again.
I'm sorry to ask, but what did my brother do to have someone like you to be indebted to him?
It's a long story. Would you want to hear it?
If you permit me.
It all started the day I went to purchase slaves from a neighboring village.
Do you know the village Otakago came from?
Name is Otakago.
We did not. Never mind. Never mind, oh!
I'm so sorry.
Never mind, oh! Never mind, oh! I will come to the Malaka. I will come to the Malaka. If I Hey! Chimo! My life is shattered.
I had a conversation with your sister Ify, and she told me something she's a bit afraid to tell you.
What is it?
You should go to them. They are in the best position to tell you everything. But that is not the reason I called you. I want to let you know, between you and I have fallen in love with Ifediorama, your sister.
Oh, that is good.
Yes. I want to let you know first and seek for your support.
Ife is a wonderful young lady. I have no objections.
Really?
None. It's left for her to accept your proposal.
Very well then. I will see to that. Thank you very much. It means a lot to me. But you have to go and see her. She really has something to tell you that you need to know.
All right.
What am I living for? What? Everyone is gone. Everyone is gone. Everyone is gone. Chukwuabiama. Come on, come calling, oh! Everyone is gone. What am I living for? My life is shattered. Nai, wherever you are, I am coming. Please, wherever you are, receive me. I cannot live in this compound alone. I brought this upon myself.
I heard you have something to tell me. What is it?
This might make you hate me and my sister, but I have to tell you the truth.
What truth?
It is about your inheritance. Everything our father owned before he died rightfully belongs to you. You inherited all of it. My mother couldn't bear the fact that you were not her son. So she planned to get rid of you. And thus, everything, including the lands and the compound, is yours. She told us about it and we hated you as well. And we planned to get rid of you as well. Please, forgive us. We are really sorry. I just had to tell you everything because I couldn't bear the guilt anymore. Please.
I've forgiven you, but I have a news for you.
What news?
Your mother is dead.
What?
Calm down.
How?
Calm down.
When?
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Angela, calm
down. Father, I found love in the eyes of a maiden.
A maiden?
Yes.
Who is the maiden?
Let me be specific. A slave.
No. Son. Why would you go that low? Why? There are maidens, freeborns, all over the kingdom.
It is where my heart chose. Father, it is not my fault.
What is the name of this maiden?
Her name is Ifediorama. She's a sister to Ike, the one who made your son well and alive today. Father, please, I demand the release of this maiden and her sister.
Is this a plan or a coincidence?
It is fate. Father, I call it fate. Please, set the woman who stole my heart free. Let her and her sister go. This would make me happy.
Thank you. Thank you for setting my sister and I free, even though we don't deserve it.
That's the least I could do to prove my love for you. Ifi, I really love you, and I want to spend the rest of my life with you. I believe in destiny, and I'm sure this is destiny.
Are you sure I'm the kind of woman you need in your life? You heard what I, my sister, and my mother did to Ike. I'm not a good person.
Nobody is perfect. Neither am I also entirely a good person. But we can both perfect our imperfections if we come together.
Really?
Yes.
The pathway of destiny.
So, Ikenwam, I'm so happy to see you again. Thanks the gods for bringing you safely back to your father's land. I'm so happy. This shows that despite everything you have been through, that you're really destined for greatness.
Thank you, Papa. What about my stepmother? I want her to know that her daughters are safe.
She was found dead a few days ago. She took her own life.
Cost of our land? No.
Yes, my son, it's true. It's a taboo in our kingdom for anybody to take their life. So she was thrown into the evil forest. She was not buried. You don't need to waste your tears. She never meant well for you. The only thing I have to do now is to show you the properties your late father left for you, which is supposed to show you before now, but she didn't. So I will take you around to show you your inheritance.
Muzuani community, I greet you. I greet all of you. I am happy today. And I welcome you to my house, each and every one of you. Today is a great day. Today is a day I have declared that you will drink, you will eat, you will make merry. I welcome all of you to my house. I feel elated today because today I have my son here. And my son has beside him a pretty damsel. The woman he has been searching all this while. Today, he has seen her. This is the marriage of my son to his own heartthrob. Asim noga dilu numai. This union is going to be a union that will be happy today, will be happy tomorrow, will be happy hereafter. This union is going to be fruitful. Bagamu ozuzu afọ, ozuzu nkwa, ozuzu eke, bagamu ozuzu oye. I bless you, my son.
Thank you, Father.
I bless the lady beside you. Muzwani, Nguano. Muzwani, Lieno. Muzwani, Muzwanu, Lizwane.
adure gaba adure bukwa mwa ejeje mba onyoma soroya adure gaba adure bukwa mwa ejeje mba onyoma.
DK, I just bought you from the chief.
It's a lie. Are you serious? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Wait. That means I'm your slave now.
You are no longer a property of the chief. I declare you a free man. Go and meet Adana now, before it is too late.
Ike, come here.
Calm down.
Thank you so much. Thank you. I will never forget this. I promise you one day, I will surely repay you. Thank you.
Go fast.
Hey, you go.
Go now, hurry up.
Follow her lead, it shall be well with you. Because I'm wise, always wiser than us. Follow Adure, it shall be well with you. Soraya, Adure gaba Adure bukwa mwa ejeje mba onyoma. Soraya adure gaba adure bukwa mwa ejeje mba onyoma.
I'm back.
She's your guy.
It's me, DK. I'm free.
It's your guidance angel. Adure mama. Listen to all she has to say to you. She's your guidance angel. Adore is a guidance angel. Adore mo. Why do you hate me this much? Why are you treating me as nobody in this life? Stop reminding me of that. It's only you and my stepsister. It's what I heard.